Hello everyone. Welcome to Analytics Live channel. In this digital world, if you have a website, mobile application or any online platform, it is crucial for you to measure. Where are your visitors coming from? What all activities they are performing? Which traffic is attributing users towards conversions? Using Google Analytics, you can achieve above and other actionable insights together. In today's video, I'll take you through 10 essential configurations in Google Analytics that every user should know. In this video, we'll explore how these configurations can enhance your tracking, provide more accurate data, and offer deeper insights into user behavior. We'll also be covering how to do it, key benefits and expert tips to help you get the most out of your analytics, so stay tuned till the end. Now, as a primary step, you would need Google Analytics GA4 account setup. If you do not have a Google Analytics account integrated to your site, then check out our video to create a Google Analytics account you can see on the screen, and link is also available in the description. Let's quickly dive in. Number 1. Data retention. Data retention refers to the practice of storing and managing users' data for a specified period to meet business, legal, or regulatory requirements. Default is 2 months. Go to Admin, Data Collection and Modification. Data retention. Here you can change the retention period from available option, 2 months or 14 months. Tip. This allows you to access data older than 2 months in the Explorer section. Number 2. Exclusion of internal traffic. Internal traffic refers to website visits generated by people within an organization, such as employees or team members, rather than your actual users. Go to Admin, Data Stream. Config tag setting. Tip. Make sure this setting you can only implement with the help of expert to not miss any data. Define internal setting. Here you can add the IP address condition of your co-workers and click on the Create button. This helps to avoid internal traffic and allows marketers to perform advanced analysis based on actual users. Number 3. Referral Exclusion. This prevents specific domains from being counted as referral traffic in your reports, helps to ensure accurate attribution in GA4. In Data Stream, go to Configure Tag Setting. Tip. You can exclude payment gateways to get attributed to the user's actual source. List unwanted filter. Enter any unwanted domains that you want to exclude. And save. To get accurate traffic attribution and remove unusual traffic in GA4. Number 4. Configuration of cross-domain. GA4 allows you to track users' activity seamlessly across multiple domains to stitch the journey. In Data Stream. Configure tag setting. Tip. The domain should be owned by same business or user can able to move from one to another. Configure your domain. Here you need to enter the domain list for cross-domain tracking. And save. This helps to seamlessly track and connect the user journey across domains without breakage. Number 5. Data redaction. It helps to exclude or modify sensitive data from being collected or displayed in reports. Go to Data Stream. Tip. Redact data. Here you can redact most email addresses from event data and can also redact URL query parameters from specific event parameters to enable data security, avoiding policy violation and getting clean actionable data. Number 6. Enhance measurement. A feature that simplifies tracking by automatically capturing essential events like file downloads, site searches, outbound link clicks, etc. Data Stream. Enhanced measurement. Turn on the automatic events that you want to track for your GA4 account. Tip. Ensure client implementation is validated before enabling this feature to avoid duplicate event tracking in GA4. By enabling these events, there is no additional code required. Demographics data for visitors. Demographics data in GA4 provides insights into user attributes like age, gender, language, and interests for better audience understanding. Go to Admin. Tip: demographics take time after enabling Google Signals. Data collection. Turn on Google Signal. This helps in building the right set of audiences based on visitors' demographics. Marketers can utilize these insights for targeting and building the right set of audiences by their interest. Number 8. Product linking. This feature allows you to connect Google products like Google Ads, Search Console, BigQuery, Display and Video 360 and others to enhance data integration and analysis. Under Product Link section, link your related accounts to enable those data in analytics. Tip: integrate correct accounts to ensure accurate data. This feature helps to enable audience sharing, improved attribution, enhanced data sharing across multiple tools. Number 9. Marking the events as key event. It is considered as critical user interactions, such as purchases, sign-ups, or app installs, to measure specific business objectives. In Admin section, Key Events. Here you can mark all the important events as key events. Verify events before marking them key to ensure accuracy. It helps to prioritize and focus on the most critical user interactions or conversions for your business. Number 10. Configuration of data stream. A data stream in GA4 is a flow of data from a website, apps, or other digital source into a Google Analytics property. Data stream. Add stream as per the business choice. Tip: if you want to set up a mobile app stream, it is required to link the stream with a Firebase project first for enhanced app tracking capabilities. Streams allow you to consolidate data from multiple sources like websites and mobile apps into a single property. It provides a unified view of user behavior across platforms. And that's all for the top 10 configurations you can't miss. If you haven't tried them yet, try them in your account first and see the impact. If you find this insightful, do like this video and share your views in the comment section. Thank you.